Muroplás is a benchmark in the development of plastic component solutions. We manufacture a wide range of components for medical and hospital devices, such as infusion and hemodialysis systems. We were faced with a major challenge in developing the check valve, a fundamental part of our process. The ultrasonic welding technology we were using didn't provide the support and reliability we needed for this new project. We needed a more efficient solution. So once again, we reached out to Wandermac Innovative Solutions, Dukane's representative in Portugal.
We had previously collaborated with Muroplás to improve processes that use ultrasonic welding technology, and the results achieved increased confidence in Dukane, Portugal. We are then challenged to develop a solution for the new design of the check valve assembly process.
Dukane Infinity line of servo drive ultrasonic welding machines feature our patented melt match technology, especially designed for the medical sector. With our extensive experience in medical device manufacturing, we were confident in delivering an effective solution for Muroplás check valve project. We collaborate closely on joint design and integrate Dukane's Infinity technology, ensuring automatic precision and control. Our servo ultrasonic welding technology guarantees a homogeneous and repeatable weld, a critical factor for achieving the highest quality and reliability required in medical applications like check valve.
This was a demanding process, which took around 2 years. During this period, Dukane Portugal conducted several technical tests to ensure that every detail was perfectly adjusted. Additionally, the close collaboration between the companies made it possible to reduce the development time compared to other projects. With high production expected for the check valve, we were looking for an integrator. That's when we involved Kahle Automation in the project to develop a system that would guarantee precision and quality in the welding of all the components.
Kahle Automation purchased 3 Dukane Infinity Servo X1 30 kHz units from Dukane, Italy to integrate into the K machine. It was an excellent opportunity to work together for the first time and essential for opening doors to new projects and demonstrating the integration capabilities of our technology. We supported and reinforced the process initiated by Dukane's Portuguese network.
Dukane's Infinity Servo technology allows us to achieve high-quality welding, eliminating failures, reducing waste, and ensuring efficiency, improving productivity, and guaranteeing more precise and predictable control. Moreover, the system's ease of use with its intuitive IQ Explorer interface enable the team to quickly adapt and integrate the process into the production line. This partnership represents a huge advancement in the innovation and efficiency of our processes.
The success of this project is a reflection of the collaboration between several Dukane teams, Portugal, France and Italy, reinforcing our global connection and presence worldwide.